Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can deal with conditional statement in HTML templates in Django, right? um Actually I planned to teach you how to deal with CBV, which is a class based view, but before teaching you how to deal with class-based view, there is a need for you to know how you can make a conditional statement in HTML template. Also, how you can loop, right? How you can make a looping in HTML template. That's why I've decided to teach you how to make a conditional statement in HTML template, right? So this is our HTML page whereby we write our conditional statement. But before we carry on, let me give you a simple it's a simple knowledge, right? When you're dealing with a variable in HTML template, we use something like this. I taught you back in the days when you're dealing with Python dictionary and HTML template. So here you can put your variable, right? So this is how you can integrate a variable in HTML template. But if you want to make a loop, right, or you want to make a conditional statement, we do this. Then here between you can put your conditional statement or you can make your looping, right? So this is how you can integrate variable in HTML template, and this is the way you can make if condition, right, or for loop, right? So that's it. Here we are going to, as I've told you, that HTML page is ready, this one with path of motechapp, and here let me show you. So this is HTML page, and this is our view, right? Here you can see there is a variable named age. Age is equal to 15, but let me change. Age is equal to 5. Then after I just took variable age, path in dictionary named as context, and rendered a dictionary, right? So variable age is present in a dictionary named as context. In my previous video I taught you deep down on how you can deal with Python dictionary in Django. So if you didn't watch my tutorial, just find it, right? Then after watch it to get some more knowledge. So this 5 is stored in dictionary named as context. So once context is rendered, I can use age to get the value, the value of variable age, which is 5, right? So in HTML template, if I write something like this, means I can get the value of age, which is 5, right? So let's go. So this is a HTML page, and this is a card, right? So here in card span, then the class is text primal. right? So as I told you before, that once you want to make a loop in a HTML template or a condition statement, just do this, then percentage sign, right? So if age so we can say if 10 is greater than age, then we can display something here. You are too young, you can't drink alcohol, right? You are too young, you cannot drink alcohol. Right? L if L if L if age you can drink alcohol. You are teenager, teenager, teenager. You can drink alcohol, right? Else else let me paste it. You add that you can drink and smoke, right? You add that you can drink and smoke, right? We everybody know adults are allowed to drink and smoke based on their age. After that, it's a time to end our if, right? And if then you Control S to save the changes. After that, let's go in our HTML page, then refresh. You are too, you cannot drink, you are too young, right? Let's say you are too young. You are too young. You cannot drink. So because he or she is, his or her age is less than 10. But what if we make some modification? Let's say this young man have 11 years. Let's refresh. You are a teenager, you can drink alcohol, right? You can see this is how we can exactly deal with conditional statements in HTML page in Django. Let's change once again. Let me put 30 years. We everybody know that these are adults, they are allowed to drink and smoke, right? So let me refresh the page. You are adult, you can drink and smoke. So actually this is a simple way on how you can deal with conditional statement in HTML page in Django, right? For bonus, I told you that you can use double braces to integrate a variable in HTML page. Let's try to do this, right? Mm, Here we can do something. Your age, your age is so let me refresh our HTML page to see what's happened. Now you can see your age is 30, right? So this is just a bonus, right? Our lesson was how we can deal with conditional statement in HTML page, but showing you how you can integrate a variable in HTML page. It is just a bonus for you, right, for today. So this is a bonus, but this is our main lesson we had. Actually, this is an end of our today's tutorials on how we can deal with conditional statement in a HTML page, with one bonus on how you can integrate a variable in HTML template. Do not forget to like, put comment and subscribe for more tech in order to get more updates of the next or future videos. As I promised you that I'll teach you on how you can deal with CBV, which are class based view, delete list, create list, detail list, and so on, right? So this lesson was just a prerequisite for um, introducing you the way how to deal with class based view. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for the next video update. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.